What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this course I'm going to go and teach you how you can work at home, how you can go and get some bread and butter for yourself if you're having a problem of because of coronavirus, COVID-19, or you can say people are losing their jobs. They have to figure out how they can go and make some money. Now there must be chances that you must be having some skill but you don't know how you can go and get some money from it. Now you have some skills. I'm going to go and show you how you can go and make some money online while sitting at home. So you have to go and watch my course. Now it's not going to be making money for like must have seen many videos or something that you can make $1,000 a day or $10 in 1 hour. So that is not going to be in this case, but yes, I can go and show you how you can make $10 or something related to it. Now it is not going to be one night and you will get billions of dollars. It is not going to work in that way. You had actually making your business while sitting at home without going anywhere, and I'm going to go and show you different skills. Maybe you will say you don't have any particular skill, but you don't know that just by talking you can make money. For example, I'm making this course and I'm making money out of it. So I'm just talking and teaching you how you can go and make some money online, so you can go and learn on it. And if you are looking into like how you can go and do that, I'm going to go and show you some of the website which I think is actually going to go and give you some money. You can go and learn from it. Now I'm going to go and show you how you can do that. Now you have to work on it. I'm going to go give you some ideas on that. You have to learn those skills. If you don't have any skills, then if you have any skills, you can go and start working on it. I will show you some of the website that is a freelancing website and what kind of skills you can go and work on it. So this course is all about that, and if you're interested in this course, enroll it now. My name is Nazir and I'm glad to be your instructor in this course. I'll see you in the course.